What's good, everybody? You already know what it is, man. You're back at it, rocking with your boy. And as you see the boxes we got over here, well, that's obvious. The bag is from the same place. I guess they just didn't put the monogram on that. Because what I got for y'all today, latest collection drop from the good people over at Hatclub. Midnight Mint collection. I like to call it the Tiffany collection, but pretty much everybody that uses that color for whatever they're doing pretty much calls their collection the Tiffany collection. So we're going to call it the Midnight Mint because that's what they're rolling with. Now, I grabbed two, as you see, online. Then I actually went into the store over at Victoria Gardens. Shout out to them over there, man. Good people, the manager over there. Always looking out for your boy when I slide through there. They had a couple, certain teams like they do at most stores. They had certain teams that he dropped on their IG account. Make sure to go follow that. VG members only, Victoria Garden members only, you know what I'm saying? Make sure you go ahead and subscribe to that. He had a certain amount of teams in there, and he had one particular team I was looking for. We're going to get into that. Plus, it was actually a bonus pickup in there. I guess I'm pretty sure it previously released, but probably just something I passed over, grabbing a bunch of other stuff. But once I got in there and seen it in person, sometimes seeing it in hand does make the difference. Does make the difference, point blank. And when I did, I was even kind of shying off on it in store, but wind up picking it up because it just grew on me literally from that point when I was in there chopping it up with them. So, like I said, man, got a couple of .com pickups from Hatclub. Then we got the good Victoria Gardens pickup. So we're going to get into all of them. Midnight Mint collection, plus a little. Actually, you know what? I got two bonuses because like I like to do in here, got some shoes, you know what I'm saying, that go with the little collection, you know what I'm saying? Well, actually just one pair, but I thought they went kind of nifty with them, so you know what I'm saying? So I'm going to show y'all that little grab too. So, again, we got Hatclub, we got Victoria Gardens Hatclub pickup with a bonus, plus a bonus shoe perk pickup, you know what I'm saying, to go with the midnight joints, you know what I'm saying? So we're going to get into all that, rock with your boy real quick. We're going to do the good intro, then we're going to slide into these pickups real quick, man, so stay tuned. Now, like I said, we're going to definitely slide right into these because, like I said, I already seen one in hand when I picked it up in the store. But I'm really anxious to see the other two because them the two that I actually wanted to see. So we're going to move this off to the side real quick. And we're going to bank into these boxes real swift-like, you know what I'm saying? Now, again, you know how I do. These are the pickups that I picked out of the collection that I like the best. So total it out, it is 3 of them. I mean, I think they pretty much, I don't know if they released all teams, but damn near close. You know what I'm saying? As far as the teams they released, man, and just by popping the box, it already looked nifty though. Whoo! First one we got, and mind you, like they said, these do glow in the dark. First one we got, that just knocked me off, you know what I'm saying? When I seen it, just the whole design, the logo and everything. Not even talking about colorway because the collection is the colorway, so that goes without saying. Got the Seattle Mariners. Now, I already bought one logo like this from a different site, you know what I mean? I'm a big fan of this logo, the Trident logo. To me, it just looks super dope. And I like I said this on my last video, I love the thread they use for the glow-in-the-dark thread. But I mean, not really saying I care about glow-in-the-dark, but I like the way the thread looks. You know what I mean? If that makes sense, you see that right there? Like, I don't know, because it glows in the dark, I guess the thread has a certain shine to it. As you can see, unlike, because the outline is what glows, not the actual thread. See, the actual thread in there, you can see the different color variation on it, how the glow-in-the-dark thread actually kind of sparkles and gives off a little mini shine. So I like how that looks when it comes to the actual hat when they use that thread on the hats. Now, of course, you got the tone on new area. And one other thing I love, man, flawless side patch on this, man. When I saw the first look on it, side patch is crazy. Nice side patch, nice side patch. This one over here, I mean, it does overtake the hat, but it has a nice logo to balance it out. You know what I mean? So they just hit you with a twofer. A nice, good quality side patch and a dope logo on the front. Got the indented Batterman. They've been going a lot of that indented Batterman lately. You know what I'm saying? Like how they hit it with the little Tiffany and the black on the side of there. And, of course, that Tiffany bottom, you know what I'm saying? So, or I don't know if they're going with mint or Tiffany, but, it's Tiffany to me. Because, I mean, if you was in the shoe game, you know how they had the Tiffany SB Dunks, which I'm so sorry I got rid of. I actually had those things. I actually had those things in hand. That's a whole nother video for itself. But one thing I will say, I stayed solid. I stayed 10 toes down with them. When I sold them for retail. You know what I'm saying? Because it was a long story, not to get into a whole sentimental thing. But, you know what I'm saying? One thing I really do, you know, I'm not a resale person like that. So, dude wanted them. I just blessed him. He just paid me retail for them. You know what I'm saying? But found a little something that'll go with these nice. Not as diffy as the, you know what I'm saying, the Tiffany Dunks. But, you know, it is what it is. And as you see, they went with the black guts on the inside. Like I said, this to me, dope logo. I mean, they used a lot of course, the regular logos on here, but see, I wanted this alternate logo just to be a little something different, and I'm glad they chose this logo and not their regular logo, because to me, it just makes it stand out just a little bit better, you know what I mean? So definitely shout out to them for picking the right logo on this one. All right, this is the next one from the online pickup portion of it. Now, this one, to me, I don't know why. It's simple, but I don't know. To me, it just seems like the best one in the group. Just personally, you know what I'm saying? Again, let me know down below which one was y'all personal picks if you got a chance to pick them up, because I know these pretty much flew also. And this one is Anaheim or California Angels, whatever they're going by now. To me, this one, whenever they use this type, oh, dust from the box. Whenever they use this type of silhouette, when it's blacked out and then they just color the halo, to me, that's one of those, you just can't never go wrong with that. You can never go wrong with that. When you hit the halo with the color, you hit the undervisor with the halo color, and then you knock out that side patch. They've been throwing this side patch on there, that All-Star Game patch. You've been seeing these on a lot of Angel hats because it's a dope side patch. You got the star, you got the halo on the star. I like that one. They got another All-Star patch too where it says like Angels or something like that, and it has like the halo over the A of the All-Star and the word All-Star written out. That's pretty nice too. If I had to choose between the two, I would go with this one because I like the star with the halo on it myself. I like how this one came out. And you see, it has that thread on there, so you know that's going to glow. See how it has that sparkle? You know what I'm saying? I think the side patch is the only thing that's going to glow on here because I don't see anything sparkling coming off on the Tiffany halo. Then, like I said, of course, you already know I give y'all that angle so you can see that undervisor, how it's hitting with the logo, how it's hitting with the side patch. You really can't beat that. You know what I'm saying? I wish they could have did something to where they could have made the front logo glow, or not even glow, just use that thread. Like I said, how I like that thread. But I get why they didn't, because it probably wouldn't have been worth it, because the only thing they could have did was put it around the Tiffany halo. If they would have put it around the actual A, it would have made an outline just because of how the thread and the threading coloring. So I get it. Not mad at that at all. Like I said, you got that indented Batterman. Of course, got the black guts. I'm pretty sure all of them came with the black guts on these. Smart decision. I like that because you want to give it like a blackout look, almost like the black domes, but with the Tiffany, with the mint. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, got that midnight mid under. You know, this one to me, like I said, my opinion, this one was the best one. That's just me. Again, that's just me. That's my personal opinion. I just like how they just, you know, they didn't do too much with the A. They just threw that Tiffany halo on there, and that just kind of waxes it out. You can see the whole thing on there. Like, just from the halo, it just proportions everything else. I don't know. It's just dope in my opinion. Now, we're going to come to the Victoria Gardens pickup of the pickups. If that's it. We ain't unboxing no more. We unbagging. You know what I'm saying? Now, this one to me, close second. Close second. And I mean by an inch close second of, you know, being the best one in my opinion. And to me, that was the New York Mets. Now, which makes this a close second from not being number one. I love the way, again, they put the glow in the dark. See how it has the outline, almost like an icy effect, like a fading effect, like a, you know, how it looks like it's here, then it goes up and it goes out, because it has the white thread, then it has the glow in the dark thread. So it has like layers to the outline. You know what I mean? And I love that. You already see they have their pen on there already, you know what I'm saying, once you pick them up off the shelf. This one to me, very, very close second. Very, very close second. I mean, now just by looking at it again, like I said, man, you want to just make it the number one pick on there. You know what I'm saying? Because I love the way they did this logo. Then the side patch, nice, simple, nothing too crazy, nothing out of the park. You know what I'm saying? Nice side patch, nothing out of place. This one glows too because you can see the threading again, like I said right there. Once it has that icicle-like threading, you pretty much know it's going to glow in the dark. And I'm not mad at that. I like how they put the silver button in there because, you know what I'm saying, it gives off a little silver icicle effect. You already know you got your Batman, tone on new era. You got your undervisor right there with the Tiffany. Now, I'm going to go ahead and hit you with that shoe pickup. Because, I mean, outside of when I got rid of the Dunks, it was no reason for me to pick up a lot of Tiffany colored stuff. I mean, I still have some shirts with that color, like color type colorway on there. But, you know, it wasn't a thing for me like, oh, I got to have this because I don't have the shoes no more. Do I regret selling them? It's like, did they go for a good cause? Yeah, so I'll sleep a little better at night, so I'm not really tripping off of that. So, now, the kicks I got from them, real simple kicks, cheap way of going out to get them, you know what I mean? And I haven't had a pair of these in years, so it just makes sense. And it's my first low top. I don't think I have anything. I think I have a pair of KDs that might be considered low top, but these are low top. But, I mean, I love how they look. I did a little baby lace swap on them already to make it go even better. And come on, man. You can't beat that. This is going to get some run. Did the little quick lace swap in them. See how that black covers off of them? That's cold right there. Then you just hit that off right there. That under. Oh, that's just retarded. That's just retarded. Now, am I a big Vans person? I would say not by far. But once I scanned these, trying to get a look at these to go with this, had to do it. Had to do it. You know what I'm saying? I mean, are they perfect on? I mean, it's close enough to where I'm not tripping off of it. I mean, because of course everybody's gonna have their particular different shade of what the Tiffany looks like. You know what I'm saying? But it's close enough to where, yeah, I can make that work. Definitely make that work. So, like I said, just a little bonus kick pickup. You know what I'm saying? Because I mean, with this kind of color, this particular kind of color is gonna be kind of hard to match up with kicks, and for this kind of colorway on kicks, it's gonna cost. So this for your boy was a quick way of getting out of having to go try to buy some resale, because I don't buy anything resale. And I went and caught these, and these went for a mere, I want to say $63. So a $63 way of getting out of rocking some fly stuff, you know what I'm saying? I'm not mad at all. Let me know what you think, how they matching up. You think I can match them up better? You know what I'm saying? You already know I love to hear y'all opinions. That's just a quick little pickup for me. And then the last little bonus pickup that I grabbed from Victoria Gardens, like I said, it just hung on me when I was looking at them in there. So, you know what I'm saying? I wanted to go ahead and pick them up. And that's New York Giants. Ma'am, as you notice with this one, and another thing I love about going down there, my guy, man, knowledgeable about everything. You know me, I'm not really a baseball guy. So, you know, he was putting me up on game, how the Giants, before they came to San Francisco, apparently they were in New York. And one thing I told him that almost stopped me from buying this cap, I was like, bro, I really don't like how when they put patches where the New Era flag is supposed to be, like, I'm not a big fan of that. But then he explained, you know, they tried to keep it as close to, you know, reality as possible as far as the era and as far as the hat. I guess, you know, back in that era, it didn't have no Batterman on the back, which it doesn't have, and it wasn't no New Era flag on there, so that's why they put the patch over there. And this patch goes stupid. I love this thing, man. How the Giants part, how it says World Series 1954 on there, and this Giants part here is like, imposed out. Like, you can see a thread. If you see what I mean, it's indented. Well, not indented like how the Battermans are, but it's like embroidered on, so you can actually feel it and you can actually see it. You know what I mean? As you can see by the angle I'm holding it at. And that made it more dope. And the longer I kept looking at it, I was just like, you know what? Let me go ahead and get that, man. It was too dope to pass up. You know what I mean? Because at first, this is one of those, you look at it long enough, you're going to want to get it. You know what I'm saying? Then they hit you with the stupid white guts under there. Got that OG Kelly under. I mean, it just is one of those buys. It grew on me. You know what I'm saying? It grew on me. Now, if I would have just seen it on the regular online, like when they had drops or anything, when I've got it, nah. But see, sometimes that's what's best about going in store. Once you see something and you see it in hand, you'd be amazed how much the value of it goes up and makes you want it. Because if I would have seen this online off the top, I probably wouldn't have got it. More than likely, I wouldn't have got it. Which, like I said, it was a previous release. But me seeing it in store, seeing that patch and just getting a look at it. Love the burnt orange look. Like I said, this is more of that wintertime look. Those little Timbs on. You are seeing when I did the views from the vault, when we did the sneakers and the hat matches. We got the V12s. Anything khaki or tan will flip with these. You know what I'm saying? So it's got the little orange button. I was going to say this kind of like a burnt orange color, but anything can rock with that. So you got that little copper look, that brown look on the side patch. So anything like that would go with these. So sometimes, hey, take my word for it, man. Sometimes you got to go in store and look at some of these, especially if you're blessed to actually have a hat club where you can actually go in store. Sometimes just, hey, go in there and check it out, man. Just like how they be having their little clearance sections and something you ain't missed out on. Because I'm always one, let me tell you, I'm always one for if it's a slow week and there's not a lot of stuff dropping, I'll go from site to site to site to site and see if it's something I missed out on, and then I'll go back and grab it. You know what I'm saying? Because with so much dropping and so much going on, it's hard for you to just pick everything up just at one time. I mean, I don't know about nobody else. Yeah, I got a lot of hats. Yeah, I got a lot of shoes. But sometimes my budget is not set up to just be just pushing the button and shit. Nah, I mean, that's just the realistic of it. You know what I'm saying? I got other stuff going on, stuff I got to pay for, man. Because trust and believe me, if you're out on the streets, these hats are not going to keep you warm. Some of them may. Not all of them. But you get the point. So, with that being said, man, those are the pickups, man. You got the Midnight Mint collection. You got Victoria Gardens pickups. We're going to do the quick recap. Got your Midnight Mint Angels. Got your Mariners. I don't know. I think this, man, these things look good, man. Now look at this one and this logo. It's like, dang, you know what I'm saying? Got your Seattle Mariners. Got your Angels. Got your Victoria Garden pickups with your New York Mets and your New York Giants. Let me know what you think about these. This Midnight Mint collection, I mean, it was, yeah, you know what I'm saying? It was, yeah. They've been hitting. They've been, man, swinging for the fence with these collections they've been in. It's just the beginning of the year. We ain't even dug in yet. You know what I'm saying? Let me know if you was able to grab. I know these things pretty much flew off the shelf like any other collection. You know what I'm saying? Hey, let me know what you think about the New York Giants pickup from Victoria Gardens. Shout out to them. Appreciate y'all. You already know my boy be sliding through there messing with you again. You know what I'm saying? We was talking about that other thing that was in store at McGrath. So, you know what I'm saying? I'm going to holler at you in a little bit about that. But I'm going to get up out of here. I'm going to meet y'all in them comments. Let me know if you was able to grab what was your best featured out of the collection in this drop. Let me know if you was able to grab this one. You know what I'm saying? This is a little sleeper. Not in the Midnight Mint collection, but just a little sleeper joint, you know what I'm saying? So like I said, I'm going to hop out of here, like, subscribe, you know, all of that good stuff, man, you know what I'm saying? Appreciate y'all rocking with your boy. I'm going to get up out of here. I'm going to see y'all in them comments, man. So I'm going to get on. I'm going to see y'all on the next one. Always the next one, man. I'm going to get up out of here. I'm gone.